How to create a business page on Facebook. Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a business page on Facebook. So I'll show you step by step on how you can actually do this. So follow the video all the way through to understand how you could do it. So here you can see I'm currently on Facebook. Now you're going to want to go ahead and click the menu icon in the bottom right hand corner. And from here, click see your profile. Now, once you do that, you should be on your profile here. Now under add to story, there should be three dots right next to edit profile. Now go ahead and click it. It should bring you to the profile settings. Now here, go ahead and to the last option, turn on professional mode. Click on it and then click turn on right here. Now, once you do that, it's going to convert your page to a business page. So you can actually, do the professional mode setup, add a picture for your page, as well as a few other things, but that's totally up to you. I'm not going to do that. So once you've done that, it's essentially going to convert your page into a business page. So with that being said, that's the video for today, and that's how you create a business page on Facebook. So if you found it helpful, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. But with that being said, I'll see you guys until next time.